Okay guys, now we're gonna make some cornbread. First step, spray, and I'm using a 9x12 metal dish. But I normally cook it in a cast iron skillet, but I'm gonna try to make a little bit more since we're taking it up to Papa Jed and Minnie's. So make sure you spray it really good. You don't want your cornbread sticking. Okay, we got our pan sprayed really good. Now we're gonna add 2 and right at 3 cups of cornmeal, because like I said, I want to make a bigger batch. To that we're going to add 3 tablespoons of baking soda, powder, I'm sorry, baking powder. We use Clabber Girl. To be honest with you, I've been thinking about it. Clabber Girl is just about the only thing around. There is another kind, but can't think of the name of it right this minute. And then we're going to add 2 eggs. I crack mine in a separate thing. I'm not one of those great cooks that can do the real pretty egg cracking. I want to make sure there's no shells in mine. And then I put quite a bit of salt in my cornbread. I like it to have flavor. Then I'm going to put approximately, let's say 3/4 of a cup of milk. Let me get something to stir it with. I'll be right back. We're just going to stir this up. I do have my oven set to 425, preheating. It just got to 425. Okay, we're going to have more milk. This is different. It's kind of the same recipe I use for my pone bread. Now I know some people have biscuit pone bread, and you can make biscuit pone bread, but I make a pone bread in cornbread that's I love. I just absolutely, that's my favorite. But it's a little more time involved, and I don't want to have to do that. So I'm gonna put just a little bit more milk. Just a smidge. As I put this in a bigger pot, so it'll be bigger, easier. And to this 3 cups of meal, we're gonna add about a cup of flour. I always say, Mama said it was the binder. I don't know. But get that stirred in, and we'll get it poured in our pan. And again, we put this in a 425-degree oven for approximately 20-25 minutes. You just have to watch it, check it when it's done, and that's it. Okay, we'll be back. There's our cornbread, guys. That's my favorite piece. Good and crunchy. All right, love ya.